watch this video.
Imagine advice you know our content creators. Then we had your show. Yeah, can I make sure?
I want to hear advice as long as in the about the wine also. Or take a rare and when you advice, why consider get about the wine. I have go to 8 years. I don't think I need the advice. The only advice is yeah, better give one directly go. I can't have a worker.
No, Jpac not going to this game. You are a father in this business.
Father of who? Father of who?
Until reality hits, yeah. The advice you get,
I take the advice in there. Advice in there, yeah. But for example, say what you know. Say what you are sure of, brother.
Yeah.
Say what you can defend you.
Yeah.
To avoid. That's the hotel you ride on.
Okay.
Now, just like it says you go see a go just ride on. Even when he knows that no one need to go pardon.
Yes.
And no one need to go call you on them or maybe they'll say I can if I were I can never apologize. Or they push me here. Also, there is one of the worst enemy. Okay, so they kept that one.
Agreed. A lot of voice.
The worst enemy, unfriendly friend.
Jpac is the person that loves Ogechi most.
Now I need advice. Now I always joke about a friend. That's why I choose Gobodezo. Many of you must tell me. And over me. Now, oh, I've been online. No, I mean, you're to get a if one about behind the scene.
Are you serious?
What the reason?
I don't want
you to be doing this. My friend. A friend not talking go. Always want to be praising and hyping a woman, even when he know that no one I got you. If not for anything, your own brother will see that I find you back. Only be your friend, the Jack, my cotton or homo. He did not see any reason. He did not see anything to defend your brother to the public. That makes him an idiot. Then defend your brother in the public.
Campus go there. That makes me and go wizbu to fake. Afubuhum the highest of fake doka Jpac. For many reasons, Kamejibo for the highest of fake and the fule fudoka Jpac. And the mecha choptani we fule for manemaho. You want to recruit me to come and fight for you as a who? Onyekewo iyeju recruit want to come and fight for you. You think that behind the very good Ogechi nako na mafuho your systematic approach to emotionally blackmail people into recruiting them to come and help you to fight Ogechi. I am too big. My head is too bigger than that emotional blackmail. All the things you makakuna to go no keja. Each and akuna to go woman. How many of the brothers and sisters came after you? All the things you put makandenine mezobi ma AEMN and all the people rubbish na Facebook. Madoneni meha ka their family members say they are fighting. Iji ashondi ye recruit. Ogechi need the pardon. Pardon from who? Pardon from you. Pardon from you. Hear it again from me. Left for me, if it is within my power to decide, Ogechi can never apologize to anybody. I owe nobody any apology for that. And I no advice when I misbehave ebenine. When anuchi sensioso ebenine. Ejegom detention since injuwemewe blogging. Ejegom even police since injuwemewe blogging. Uboneke work go in and out of police cells. And yet Igboland men are no advice. What makes you different from Ogechi? I want to know what makes you different from Ogechi. Go no they fire Melugi you do different from Ogechi. That if a both of you kulu land the both of you in a police cell, what makes you different from it? Pardon from who? Pardon from who? Eh? Actually, Ogechi your pardon. You are looking for apology, and you are going extra mile looking for this apology. The way you wanted this apology, You are looking for this apology as if now your life depending, eh? If you believe it, look at you in a apology from Ndo Major. Isoko Nando Gechi Major. Nya ebe no. Jpac iso Nando Gechi Major. It do so even you when do so shameless. The way you think you can blackmail everybody in this social media app. There are people like us whose head are more stronger than yours. Can you prove no Gechi with an imbecile? I'm asking you. Can you prove no Gechi bulu pape nyana mama? Can you prove that? Can you prove no Gechi tili die na bottle? Can you prove no Gechi na agba na Chicago? Ana majuga juju ife ni na najugo. Can you prove no Gechi wonyohi? No Gechi a criminal? Can you prove any of these things? You cannot prove it. And yet, you don't ever with Obo Afoga how to konye di 9 months. Natural apology from Ogechi. If you believe it, don't worry. Nemesis will soon catch up with you. Nemesis will still catch up with you. Okono wakaino. Nemesis will still catch up with you. Now Babagari and I'm support one. You will ken onongo watini ken one wela ba fela ye me one no chog nwoke nwela akoko. Epota ebia na newe bia charge akarat in anu advice. In anu advice. Mgbe ahụ gụ na Ogechi na-akọ ọnụ a ndị enyi gị ọha enyeghị advice gụ kọdebe ọnụ a ana m ayọ ya ayọ kedu ife gụ na Ogechi kọgidoro ọnụ o wee result otu ụnụ nwee gaba deti tungunwu ide ekwu so many things about Ogechi na-ekwu about you ndị ahụ na advice ha advice ya on time to desist from ife ị na-eme na ya lead into something else icheruzie o result o ebe o result rụ ịchọzie ka ị recruit ndị ya bịa wolu maka ife anya ọba bịa n'ọrụ ọgụ iche na edo intelligent mana ịmụhụ na iwu okpo ewu the highest okpo mfugo na social media oteni iji nọrọ on the game you are a master unu eje na gba mbọ build up platform unu jee nchọgara ebe onye ya wee chiri nego na-ekwugharị ọnụ ọpụta na Facebook rubbish ewu jee nchọba ka unu were imeji nwụrụ anwụ wee build up platform unu. Left for me Jpac Ogechi can never apologize to anybody. Adam ekwucha take ye back. Oblodu nke nchere eche ofuma. Adam ekwucha take ye back. Magari eva buru trepan choba apology. Inacha apology. Fela imenwo. You couldn't even arrest anybody. It has to take the power of the same woman. Na kwele nwanyị. It has to be okwo nwanyị na-enye action. Ngwa nwoke jinol every day na Facebook na-enye mkpọtụ. You couldn't even do anything on your own. You couldn't do anything on your own. If you go na Newi, you are a messenger. You are only but a messenger in your own case. In a case you do so much involved, you ended up becoming a messenger. If you ndemoke na ekwu okwu aya muta nwoke ipụta soro ha na ekwu okwu ine enye mkpọtụ na akwụ n'enu na ọgụ ọgwụ nwaanyị na anụ nwaanyị no chọgụ nwoke nwere akụkọ ezugo wefa ifubo ife n'ebe nnọ ka ị afụcha blọga na Facebook ị ga-akwụla ọtọ ọgwụgwụ ị nwere ike na-akpagharị go na ije ụwa ha a na-eme ife unu na-eme pete na-ije ụwa n'ebe nnọ ka ị afụcha blọga na Facebook a ị mara na blọga na-enwe level ị ghọtago ha ma ekwu ka o wee wụrụ. Left for me, I repeat it again for ndị je copy the last one nkwuru shia ya. Left for me, if it is left for me to decide, because Ogechi is an adult, I cannot tell her what to do. But if it is left for me to decide, Ogechi can never apologize to anybody. If Ogechi no na una police, ohono ko duri ikpe, magistrate or judge ikpe no onwe, you have your own case. You will tell before the court of law. It is left for the court to decide. All this info ono na agbagari achoko onu bujiri judgment ya n'ukwu. Kagali ilu to the point where court will decide who is guilty or not. All for me, it will not work. It will not work. What makes you think that you are right in that case, Ijiweje court? It is left for the court and the lawyers to decide. It is not left for you. So I'm not mean mesiri Ijiwe feel one the right. By ide Ogechi bia apologize to you. Who made you the judge in this same case? Can you be a judge in your own case? You cannot. If you na achọ okwu unu wolu fear into the mmadụ Ogechi na ejenga mmadụ one ka esi n'ala etu atụ ganga na Nigeria na Nigerian history ugboro one ka arrest go video for defamation ugboro one ka ọ nakpugoro nga na o nwenarị nke ọ nọkarịrị ife Ogechi nọ na detention and ọ nwaanyị ka anya na-enwere okwu a ọ nọrọ almost 1 month na detention. Did he run a press briefing apology? Ebe ọ ma na ife ọ na-ekwu na ọmụ ife ọ na-ekwu. So if unu na-agbagharị ka unu bịara Ogechi nọ na Nigeria hapụ ụmụ ya na America mee nke a unu just mara ụma na-akwụgharị for nothing. Ogechi decide I play into your traps. Nya play left for me. Left for me. If it is left for me to decide, Ogechi apologize to no one. She can never apologize to anybody, not even an ant. Not even an ant. Ono na achọ ka unu bujiri judgment n'ukwu. Ka ghara ijebe court. Ka unu suppress ya, ka apologize ya for the same crime unu do guilty of. For the name unu do so shameless. Anyway, I just want to respond to this video. Afrobunya, I only saw it yesterday. You are as a master in the game. It will say a master in the game. Apamaha who successful bloggers in na Southeast. It shall not say that matiketi apugari ebeni na matiketi je Lagos e na apugari ka ya sene na alo na air hostess or ever. It shall not say that apugari unya na successful blogger. Is it how long? It is how well. As a matter of fact, Ngowa top 10 failed bloggers in the Southeast. As number 1. Because you don't represent anything, you don't have any brand, you are neither here or there. You don't have any direction, your stomach on a back, what shows the direction of where you are going? Nothing. Every blogger, they all specialize in different things. There is no direction. And I should advise Ogechi Kobia apologize to you with Jpac. Okwani ono. O makana keep as one, Okwani gono. Keep as one, I make go give Okuniono. The Pagareva Zena apology. Chop apology. Blue trepa, Pagareva, Ogechi put apology by Savogia. O decide they Savogia. Good for her. For me, left for me, I still repeat what I said. Ogechi can never apologize to anyone. Just what a police makana unkurie. Okari here too. Aka nwezugo nwoke na ebesha ịghọtago ha meti mmọnwa na akwa aka. Ogechi is the worst. Ezugo is the worst enemy. Ogechi where you are the onwere onye fulu Ogechi n'anya karịa agụ. Onwere onye fulu Ogechi n'anya karịa agụ Jpac efuka ya n'anya love ya. Look at you. Look at you. I won't worst enemy because na I akudoholu nya ka ogo a coward before you. Because na ma akudoholu ye ka iwe go okibe na ebe ono. You wish that people like us subject to the no. Why will I do that? You are a saint. Ill of care. When all ban a humiliate you, when all ban bully, when all ban a me yet every ananya. Only decide they know ya do weak, a bono. On our brand there, you follow your brand there. I have decided not to be a weak soldier. I will be a strong soldier. Kulukitiba to the end. Okari hetua. Ogechi should take a decision or should take. As for me, ebe aka nkwebe kusie yike. Na amagane no banana loko na hammanse na ahwa make. The end will just justify the means. Ndodo hakwa. The end will justify the means. Okari hetua. Kodun.